In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a call to action to your video. If you want to make your video more interactive and give viewers a clear next step, adding a call to action is a simple and effective way to do it. A call to action can help guide people toward exactly what you want them to do, whether that's clicking a button, reading a short message, or visiting a website link while they're still watching your content. To get started, open the video you want to work with. Once your video is open, look for the Customize option. This is where you'll find tools that let you adjust interactive elements and make your video more engaging for your audience. Inside the customization settings, select Call to Action. This is the feature you'll use to place an interactive prompt directly onto your video. After opening it, you'll be able to choose the type of call to action you want to add. Depending on what you need, you can enter text, add a button, or include a website link. The text should be short and clear, so viewers immediately understand what action you want them to take. If you're using a button, make sure the wording is direct and easy to follow. If you're adding a website link, double check that it leads to the correct page before moving on. Next, choose when the call to action should appear in the video. This part is important because timing can make a big difference. You'll want it to show up at a moment that feels natural, such as after you've explained something important or when viewers are most likely to take action. Try to place it at a point where it supports the content rather than interrupting it. Once you've added your text, button, or link and selected when it should appear, save your changes. Saving makes sure your call to action is applied to the video and ready for viewers to see. After that, your viewers will be able to click the call to action while they're watching. That means they can respond in real time without needing to pause, search, or leave the experience feeling uncertain about what to do next. This is a great way to improve engagement and make your videos more purposeful. And that's it. You've successfully added a call to action to your video, helping turn passive viewers into active participants.